Okay. So last week, you guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay, so last week we got this far where when we start the game and come up with the translation, and then when you click on the card, it will show a picture, right? Okay, and then when you let go, it will go back to the meaning of the card. Right. So that's actually a bug, but we I'm going to try to fix that yet. Okay, we're going to try to fix that later. What I want to hope to be able to do today is that we want to finally make this some sort of game whereby what I intend to do is that we have to show the the word, and then the user will have to choose which card is actually the word lah. Betul ni? Okay, so the word will be up here, and then they have to choose which of the card is actually the same as the word lah. Okay, so this one is very easy to understand for us because creator is a car, kucing is a cat, ayam is a chicken, gajah is an elephant. But if it's words that you don't know, then it might be more challenging, right? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to change up the layout a bit, okay, so that we can fit the word that we want at the top, right? So let's go ahead and change that up a bit. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to change it up a bit. Yeah.
Why did you I didn't have the card tab in the top here.
What
The
do you
card
mean?
tab.
This one?
The huh.
You can open it. You just click on the card scene, and then it should open. So if you don't have it like this, you don't click on it, it should open like that.
Oh.
Okay, so anyway, this one we will have to resize this. And that's going to be this 0.7, 0.7. Oh wow, then we'll do the X 0.7. Going to do the same for the rest for card 2. Get it through. Card 3. 0.7. Card 4. Scale to 0.7. Okay. Then around it so that not big. Okay. So we play this. Yeah, so there should be space up there for the word. Okay, now we're going to display the word up there. So we're going to put in flashcard, we add child node. We're going to put your new label. Okay, so great. So this is let's call this target, the target word. Let's put it here. Okay. Now we need to make it a bit bigger so that more or less same size as this one. So we'll have we change it out here in Teams override font size. Let's put it in the middle here. But okay, so if we to play it, then yeah, you have your target up there. Okay, and this is the cards. So the cards right now is displaying the word. It shouldn't display the word. It should display the picture, so that you have to find which picture actually means the target, right? So we're going to change all of the card so that the current state is the picture. Okay, all four of it. We start with picture. Okay. Right, so you have the picture. Okay, so now we're going to have to choose a word for our target. Okay. Sorry, am I going too fast? You guys able to follow now? Okay, Afan's all right. Lukman, not yet. Okay. You have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Right. So what I'm doing is, what I'm trying to do is, when you play, so over here, up here, will be the target, which is the word that you want the user to guess. Okay. So, and down here will be the pictures of the word. So, like for example, this one, it should be cat. Not cat, it will be kucing, right? So kucing, then you have to guess which card is actually mean kucing. So you click here, this is kucing lah. So you get a mark lah. Okay, and then if you get it right, then it goes to the next set of card. Okay, that's basically what we want to do lah. If you get it wrong, maybe it goes to the next set of card without giving any marks or something. But point is, we need to have a way to win or lose lah. So that's the whole purpose lah. So the first thing that I did just now is I want to resize back all of the cards so that it all fits, because just now all four cards fill up the whole space. So I needed a bigger place up here so that I can put the word. So that's the first thing I did just now. And then after that, I added this label lah. Okay. So when I change all the size of all of the cards, I basically changed at the scale. I changed it to 0.7, the X 0.7, so that it makes it all a bit smaller. So once it's all smaller, I rearranged it, and then after that, I added the label target. Okay, to make the words bigger, I changed the under Teams override the font size to 70. Okay, so that's what I have been doing. Are you able to follow?
I have
Okay, so you guys are done?
I have changed the current state to
Okay.
picture, but it's still a title.
Oh,
It's still text.
you change all the current state to picture, but when you play, it all still using text.
Yes.
Try to share your screen.
But when I play, need to press.
Mm, okay. Right. Let's see your card. See. Okay. Um. Let me see your source code for the card scene. Yeah. Okay. Scroll up. Okay, scroll down. Right. Can you go back to your flashcard scene? Can you show the source code? Right. Um, can you show me the scene? Go back to the 2D. You can click on the cards. You can see the drop down on the color state now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Why your name is acting this way? Mm. Can you try to play again?
Just like that. Yeah.
Can you change all the color state to picture? I mean to text.
It be text. But the when I choose the car state picture, it like eh, you it's still text.
Okay, can you just play? You only change the 4 and 5 just now, right? Okay. Can I see? Sorry. Can you close this? And then show me your source code for the card. Scroll down, scroll. There's no more. Okay, scroll up. Input current state equals to text. Uh, okay, that's your problem. Okay, your problem is your else though, line 16 though. So, okay, before you correct it, let me explain what's happening, okay? So your line 13, you are checking if event is input mouse button and mouse hover. Okay, so that means what it's checking is that the currently that's happening is that you have a input mouse button. Okay, that means you press or the mouse button or you let go the mouse button and mouse hover. That means it currently is hovering over the card. Okay, that is what you're checking. And then after that, you go to line 14, which was supposed to check what is your state. Your state is either text or your or picture. So if it's a text, then you change to picture, or if it's a picture, you're supposed to change to text. But what you did wrong is that line 16, your else too is not under the line 14 if, it's under the line 13 if. So what happens is that your line 13 if too, if it's false, then it will do the what is done in line 17. Okay, so it will change the state to text. Okay, so if you currently not pressing the button and it's not hovering, then it will change your card to text. Do you understand? So the way to fix it is that line 16 too, you give it a tab. You tap inside a bit. Do you understand, Lokman? No? Yes, this frozen what? Hello? Oh, Lokman left. Okay. You dropped out for a while there. Lokman?
Sorry, my Wi-Fi just.
Yeah. So did you hear my explanation just now?
I
Uh,
only I only hear when you say the if line 14. After that, I just don't hear anything.
oh, okay. So can you share your screen back then? Okay. So your else, your line 16 too, is under the if of the line 13. Okay. So it's not else for the line 14, but it's else for the line 13. Okay. So that's your problem. So you need to type your else in a bit.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah, like that. So if you run, it should work now. For you to understand fully the what I mean, you can listen back later to the YouTube video lah.
Okay.
Okay. So you change all the rest of your need to show picture.
Oh,
Okay.
stop sharing now.
Yeah. Right. So now okay, so now what we're gonna do is we gotta pick one of these words to be the card for the target that we want. Okay. That means this one has to be one of the words that we have chosen, okay, that we have put in here. Okay. So mm, so that's five, okay? And there's only four images, right? So this is okay lah, and okay now. Okay, so to be able to do that, there's a few things that we need to do. First is that we need to put the words into an array so that we can choose from which position of the array is the random one that we want to okay, we want to use. So that's the first one. The second one is we want to be able to associate that word with the picture more easily. Okay, so if we do this is currently manually done lah. So manually done, it'll be difficult. It'll be difficult to associate it properly lah. So we can actually use the array for both purposes lah. Okay, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to create a new array. Okay, a new array to to place both the word and the image associated with it. Okay, so okay, okay, so this is how we make an array. Okay, so the array will be an array of word and image. Okay, so to make it easier for us to see, I'm going to make it like that. Copy paste here. Okay, and I'm going to add a little extra, which is I have here five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. So cow, we already got cat, we already got chicken, we already got cow. I don't have. I have this one. I'm going to add this one, cow, which is lembu. Okay, so I have here five. So we're going to choose four random words to put into the picture set. Okay, so we will start here. We're going to choose four random words. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. How can I choose randomly? I forgot. Okay, and I, random picture. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to choose. I'm going to create a new function. Okay, first I'm going to create array. to put in all of the word choices. Sorry, the current word choice. Okay, for word selection. Let's call this word selection, and we'll make it an array. Okay, and then we're going to have a function to randomize selection. Okay, so the idea of the randomized selection is that we're going to put the random word into the word selection. So we have to put in 4 words. Okay, so to make sure that we have selected enough words, so we can do a while the number of word selection less than 4. Okay, so while then of word selection is less than 4. So that means while the word selection, not word selection. So if it's less than 4, then it will keep on looping. Okay, so then we're going to choose the first word. Okay, the first word is going to be goes to the integer. Okay, we're going to apa nama ni, mod by the length of word choices. Okay, so this is basically going to choose a random integer, either 0 all the way until the length of the word choice lah. So word choices is this. Right now we have 5 here. We're going to choose either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to check whether the current word that you choose is already inside the word selection, because we don't want the word selection to duplicate, right? So if okay, so if not current word in word selection, that means we check whether the current word is not in the word selection. Okay, so if it's not in the word selection, then we add it to the word selection. So dot and we add the current word. Okay, so if it's not added yet to the word selection, then we add the current word. So this is going to be continue to be done until the word selection becomes 4 in length. Okay, then we will have the whole of the words, right? So once we have that, then we can do all this set cut picture. So all of this set cut picture, we're going to do it here. So cut number 1, we're going to choose for cut number 1. We're going to choose. So this is the image of word choices. Okay, word choices. Which word choices? We want the word choices that is from word selection 0. Okay, from word selection 0. So that means that is the first word that was chosen. Okay, and then from, so this is going to choose something. So it's either going to choose this or this or this, depending on which word selection. But it's going to be both of this. So we don't want both. We just want the first one. Okay, which is the image. So over here, we choose 0. No, sorry. out here, we choose 0. Okay. And then over here, we're going to display the name. So the name or the word, over here, we choose 1. Okay. So 0 is this one, 1 is this one, right? And then we're going to do the same for all the other 3. Okay, except for this one is for card 2, we're going to choose the second word selection, which is that one. This one, the third word selection, which is at 2. This is the fourth word selection, which is at 3. Okay, and then once we're ready, we're going to call on the randomized selection. Okay, so that should give us a word selection with the random words. So let's try. There you go. Why is this empty? The cow picture is not working properly. Cow the oh I okay, there you go. Okay, you guys understand? I'll let you copy this first. Okay. Once you're done copying, then you just tell me. What you should be able to get is that every time you play, it should be completely random. The car, chicken, cow, cat. Next time you play, cat, car, cat, cow, chicken. Next time you play, elephant, cat, cow, chicken, cow. So it will be the random. Okay. So try it and then tell me once you're done. You guys okay?
Do we do these for as many cards as we have?
Yeah, so like for example, Oman just now he has 5 cards, so you have to do it up to card 5 lah.
Okay.
Wanna share screen ke tak? Right. First you're ready though. You gotta change it so that it calls the randomized selection though. Delete all the 26 to 31 though, you can delete all of it. Yeah, the past tu pun you can delete. Okay. And you call the randomized selection. Tab. Okay, randomized selection. Yeah. Okay. And then okay, scroll up. Right. Right. Since it's work, you can still you can click on it, right? Yeah. How about Roman? How you doing?
Not yet copying.
Oh, okay. Tell me once you're done.
Okay. I'm done copying, but my var word choice have an error.
Sorry, you didn't hear me. At line 4, you didn't have a comma at the end. At the end. No, not that one. Line 4. Yeah. Which there's nothing there. You scroll up. You said you forgot your S, line 3. Yeah. Line 15, you got have your S2. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. You only have 4 pictures. You scroll up. You have 5. You can scroll down. Oh, because you're line 14. And line 14 is less than 4. You got to be less than 5. No? Okay. 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 So just a bit more. So now what we want to do is we want to choose a word for 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 us to test the user lah. So this word. Okay. So we're going to here we can choose a word target here. So that's target. Randomize selection. Maybe can just have a word target equals to random for the next. Okay. So the word target should be a random integer by the length of word selection. So the word selection should be here lah. It should be the maximum of how many you set here. Okay. So the word target, we'll choose that, and then we want to display that word, right? So we'll display that word. Oh my God, I forgot how to do this. Hold on. We can just look back at here. Yeah, dot text. Cool. Okay. Okay. Play. Yeah, switching. Yeah, choose this. Okay. Or use play. Yeah, play through. Yeah, choose this. Right. Okay. So then now we're going to have okay. So it would be okay, when the user click on the card. Okay, it should go to the next level. Okay, should go to the next level. Whether the user is correct or not, it should go to the next level. Kucing, uh, wait, kucing is not in here. Okay, okay, that's an error. You cannot choose. You cannot choose a word that is not inside the name. Choice. Word target. So the word target have to be something inside the word, word selection. It has to be something inside the word selection. So what choices? Uh, okay, which word selection? That is the one that you use the word target. Okay, then the book, then got the okay, baca, okay, baca, ayam, okay, got ayam. All right, so now you will only choose the words that has been chosen now. Okay, so this one, we make sure that you choose the word that has been chosen. Okay, so next is when the user click, then we have to go back to a new set of cards. Okay, so click, so in the input, okay, current state equals, so going to change the picture, right? And we also have to change, uh, we have to update what is the, whether the user press on the correct picture. Okay, but that one later. What we got to do first is we're going to make it so that if the user press a button, then it's going to go to a new set of picture. So the way we're going to do that is we're just going to reload the scene. Okay. So the way we reload the scene is you do the apa nama ni, tree transition. Right. So if you press this button, then we're going to do a tree transition. I'm going to do okay, three, but change scene file. We're going to go to flash card. So basically the idea is that it's going to reload the whole scene then. Okay. Press calculator, then we choose one of it. Okay. So it reload really fast. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. That's not nice. Okay. Says it reload really fast. So we don't want that. What we want to do is that we want to only change the scene after the user lifts the button. Okay, not when the press. Okay, only once the user lift the button. So we're going to check. We're going to check what is the event that the okay, check. I think we need to check whether it's not pressed anymore. So that press, and then it doesn't change. But when you let go, it change. Press doesn't change. When you let go, it change. Press doesn't change. You let go, it change. Okay. You guys try to do that first. Change the card over here. So you check whether the mouse has already been let go, and you change back to the scene. So basically, by changing to the same scene again, you are reloading the whole scene again. You should randomize your picture. Norman, you done? So yours is already working? Fatima to be done. Back to back to the card. This one. So it's working. Good. All right. So that is how we're going to make this one random. Okay. So the next thing, look, it show for a while the picture. If somebody is quick enough, they can read under that. But anyway, right. So the next thing we got to do is we got to keep track of the score. Okay. So if the user got the correct one, then we increase the score. Okay. So the way to maintain the score, so just like before this, we need to have a global file. Right? Oh, it's already 10 o'clock. Oh, actually, it should be done already. Okay, I guess we're done for now. Because adding the score might take a while to get it correct. So we're done for now. But uh, itulah, because this might be the last class for a while. Okay, because next week is already Ramadan. So at night time, we'll be doing the Salat Tarawih, and we might be finishing very late. I mean, the Salat Tarawih will cause us to, if you want to have class at night, it's difficult because it might be very late. So I think for the whole of Ramadan, most likely we won't have any class. Is that okay? We don't have much choice, unless, yeah, probably don't have much choice because with regards to your last class, why is it your last class? You don't want to join anymore after this? That's if we do it after Ramadan. I don't understand. So that means after Ramadan, you're not joining the class anymore? Aman? Oh, okay. Okay. Hear that, Anthony? Okay, never mind. Okay. All right. So we'll see how it goes, Anthony. So this is last class for a while. But you guys stay in the WhatsApp group lah, Anthony. Maybe I might still post some videos of how to complete this project and things like that. Anthony. You guys can look it up. Okay. All right. So that's all for tonight, inshallah. Thank you guys. See you next time then. I'll message when we start again.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.